Hello friends, welcome back to a new video. Let's explore the 1995 Canadian Elizabeth II $2 coin, often referred to as a Toonie, holds historical and geographical significance in Canadian numismatics. Below, I'll provide a detailed script about its history, design, geographic relevance, and information on coin condition and its potential value. In 1996, Canada introduced the $2 coin as part of a move to replace paper currency with more durable coinage. The coin, known colloquially as the Toonie, followed the success of the $1 Loonie coin, introduced in 1987. The $2 coin was created to be more cost-effective and long-lasting compared to paper bills, and its issuance marked the end of the $2 paper note in circulation. The 1995 $2 coin, although produced as a proof coin for collectors, holds historical importance as the precursor to the widely circulated Toonie. The design was developed by the Royal Canadian Mint, and the coins are highly significant to Canadian numismatics. The design of the $2 coin changed over the years, but the 1995 proof coin is notable for its specific features. Here's what the coin typically includes. Obverse, front side. The obverse design features a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, which is a standard feature on all Canadian currency. The Queen's portrait on this coin was designed by Susannah Blunt, and it's a depiction of the Queen in a more mature and modern representation, as opposed to earlier coin designs. Reverse, backside. The reverse side of the 1995 coin, designed by artist Bill Reed, depicts a polar bear swimming in the Arctic waters. This is a clear representation of Canada's vast northern geography, emphasizing the country's natural beauty and wildlife. The coin is bimetallic, with a nickel brass core and a nickel-plated steel ring. The $2 coin, Toonie, is a symbol of Canadian identity, drawing from the country's rich natural heritage and geographical landscape. The image of the polar bear reflects Canada's Arctic region, which is not only geographically significant, but also ecologically important as a habitat for many wildlife species. The Canadian Arctic, along with its cold, northern terrain, forms part of the wider Canadian Shield region, which is known for its rugged landforms and vast boreal forests. Additionally, Canada's cultural connection with the Arctic and its significance in both geopolitical and environmental discussions can be seen in this coin's symbolic use of a species that is emblematic of the country's north. The condition of the coin plays a vital role in determining its value. Coins are typically graded on a scale ranging from good to mint state or proof. The latter is a special, high-quality version produced for collectors. Circulated coins. If a 1995 Toonie is heavily circulated, it may have scratches, worn edges, or discoloration, all of which reduce its market value. A standard circulated Toonie from 1995 is typically worth its face value of $2 unless it has specific collector interest due to rarity or errors. Uncirculated coins, a coin that hasn't been circulated and remains in near-perfect condition, e.g., brilliant uncirculated, can fetch a premium price, sometimes up to $5 to $10 depending on demand and rarity. Proof coins. The 1995 $2 coin was also minted in proof condition, which involves a special, high-quality strike. These proof coins are made for collectors and are often sold at higher prices, ranging from $15 to $30 or more in some cases, depending on the market and the specific condition. The 1995 proof issue is especially valuable due to its limited production, which is often much lower than regular circulation coins. Occasionally, certain errors in the minting process can make a coin especially valuable. For instance, misprints or design errors. A Toonie that features a noticeable flaw in the design, such as an off-center strike or incorrect metals, can fetch significantly higher prices in the numismatic market. These are rare, but can elevate a coin's value far beyond face value. Rarity. The 1995 $2 coin, although produced as a proof, is still considered common in circulation. However, limited mintage years or special editions often result in certain versions holding a premium. In some years, mintage figures for coins were lower than usual, affecting rarity. The 1995 Toonie holds particular interest for coin collectors, those investing in Canadian numismatics, and those seeking out limited edition items. Market demand for coins like these can fluctuate based on factors such as collector interest in specific designs or years. Economic conditions affecting investment trends in precious metals, since the bimetallic composition contains metals like nickel and brass. Special events or anniversaries that bring attention to historical coins or certain themes, such as Canadian wildlife or national symbols. To get an accurate assessment of your coin's value, you can do the following. Consult numismatic resources. Websites like the Royal Canadian Mint, Canadian Coin News, and Numismaster provide current market prices for coins, including the 1995 Toonie. Coin dealers and auctions. A local dealer or a larger auction house specializing in rare coins can offer a more detailed evaluation, especially if you suspect you have a proof or error coin. Online marketplaces. Websites like eBay also offer a real-world insight into how much people are paying for similar coins in various conditions. The 1995 Canadian Elizabeth II $2 coin, a Toonie, is a part of Canada's rich numismatic history, with a design that showcases its northern geography and wildlife. In general circulation, it holds its face value, but in pristine or proof condition, it can carry additional value for collectors. Variations such as errors or special proofs can also boost the coin's worth. When it comes to investing or collecting, keeping your coins in good condition is key. For collectors and those looking for specific rarities or proofs, the 1995 Toonie is a notable piece in Canadian numismatics and holds both historical and cultural significance.